Make sure your CAD bill of materials are synchronized with ERP. Welcome to Logic Design Corporation, helping transform engineering and manufacturing since 1983. Introducing Global Edge Engineering Assistant, designed for sheet metal fabricators. Global Edge Engineering Assistant provides a simplified method to automatically integrate your CAD software with ERP to provide a single version of truth starting at the design source. The Global Edge Engineering Assistant is built around an innovative engineering and manufacturing data warehouse that helps deliver a single version of truth of information throughout the manufacturing enterprise. This starts with a bidirectional connection between CAD and ERP, facilitated by the capabilities incorporated into the engineering and manufacturing data warehouse. As information changes are made on either the CAD side and/or ERP side, those changes will be synchronized in the data warehouse, providing your manufacturing enterprise with accurate and timely information. The result of CAD to ERP integration is the elimination duplication of part, assembly and documents by utilizing advanced search capabilities to reuse rather than reinvent. To schedule a demonstration and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.